In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create membership portal in Google Sites. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're on the page where you want the membership portal to appear. This is important because the portal will be embedded directly into that specific section of your site. If you already have your layout prepared, that will make the process even smoother. But if not, you can still add the portal first and adjust the page around it afterward. Once you're inside your site editor, look for the embed option. This is the tool that allows you to place external content directly into your Google site, which is exactly what you need for a membership portal. Click on Embed to begin the setup. If you're not familiar with embedding, think of it as placing a live window from another tool or service right onto your page. After clicking Embed, choose the Embed Code option. Google Sites gives you different ways to insert content, and in this case, you'll want to use the code METHOD. This is the best choice when your membership portal is provided as a piece of embed code from another platform. Now paste your code into the field provided. Make sure the code is complete and properly copied before moving on. If part of the code is missing, the portal may not display correctly once it's inserted. It's a good idea to quickly double check what you pasted so you can avoid having to come back and fix it later. When your code is in place, click Next. This lets Google Sites generate a preview of the embedded content. At this stage, take a moment to review how the portal will appear. If something looks off, you can go back and confirm that the embed code was pasted correctly. If the preview looks good, click Insert. This will place the membership portal onto your Google site page. Once it's added, you can reposition it and resize it so it fits naturally within your page design. Try to give it enough space so visitors can use it comfortably without the portal feeling cramped. And that's the full process. You opened your site, selected embed, switched to embed code, pasted the code, clicked next, and then inserted it into the page. After that, all that's left is to review the placement and make sure the final result looks clean and easy to use. This is a simple and effective way to turn a Google site into a functional membership portal experience.